Welcome, in front of me is ACER Nitro 5 and in this video I will show you how to check the graphics card on this laptop. To do that, you have to open the Start menu, then go to Settings and select System, and then in System go to About section, and in the About section you will find the graphics card, and as you can see it says that multiple GPUs are installed. So here we won't find the name of the GPU, but we can see the amount of video memory on it. Okay, and if you want to check the exact model of your video card, you have to right click taskbar, go to Task Manager, then select Performances section, and here go to GPU. As you can see, we actually have GPU 0, which is an integrated graphics, and GPU 1, which is Nvidia GeForce RTX 3060 laptop GPU. And here we can also find the specifications of your graphics card and also the resource usage graphs. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.